Grand Rising, welcome to RTV. Yeah, we're on God Rising Thought. We will be talking about the existence of God. Zin? Yeah, and so far, when you're talking about God and also the existence of God, you have to specify which God you're talking, because there is a lot of different gods, hundreds, thousands of gods, a matter of fact. And to some person who said there is only a one God, well, I'm gonna address that point as well. So please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Alright now, the existence of God. Which God are you talking most definitely? You wanna hear about the Christian God? You wanna hear about the Buddha God? Or you want to hear about the pagan God? I will be talking about the Christian God today. The existence of the Christian God. Sorry, me no want to break nothing in you, but there is no existence of that God. It's just a mythology. The existence of God that we all know is we, human beings. We are all gods. And if you take a look at the trees and everything around you, that's an example of God. If you should check on Google what God is, you will understand the meaning of God. God is not something exterior, it is something interior, alright? God is something that create and produce, and all of us create. Remember, at that time there wasn't any car, but someone created it, right? At that time there wasn't any bike or planes, but someone out there, a God, created it, right? Hence, the sun in the sky is God. The sky itself is God. The air that's around us, it's also God. Alright? So, seeking for God and the existence of God, the more you seek, the more you will find out that this God, or this one so-called God they spoke about, do not exist. We as human beings, because we don't understand creation in a sense and how we come to be, nor the rest of the world, we always want to go outside of ourselves trying to prove that, alright, as some come and, but they're all theories. None of them is proven. So, sad to say, but there is no one creator God. We're all gods. Yeah, man. So thank you for viewing. And come again. Alright? Ashe.